Daybreak's warmth comes rolling in. A curlew calls, the gulls take flight, breaking through the fading night. Ooooooh, the world wakes free. Ooooooh, with the rhythm of the sea. Feel the tide pull soft and wide as the sun and time collide. Fishermen push from the shore, casting dreams where breakers roar. Lines are drawn, the current sways. They chase the light, the golden haze. On the headland, breezes run, stirring leaves to greet the sun. Shadowed gums stretch tall and lean, brushed by morning's amber sheen. Ooh, the world wakes free. Ooh, with the rhythm of the sea. Feel the tide pull soft and wide as the sun and time collide. The waves pulled me in, soft as a whisper, strong as a tide. Every dawn, footsteps fade along the sand. Waves erase where dreams have been, drifting slow